If your lip balm isn't working, it's because you're overusing it. And that's why your lips feel dry 10 minutes later. Hi, I'm Janice, story nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions. Just a quick note, this is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not considered medical advice. Always listen to your body and consult your provider for any healthcare needs. Today, we're talking about something that confuses a lot of people. Most of us think that dry lips means that we apply more lip balm. So we reapply and reapply and reapply. And for a moment, it feels better. There's that quick sense of relief, like you fixed it. But soon after, your lips feel dry again. So what do? Get that lip balm back out and reapply. And that's where the pattern starts because what most lip balms are actually doing is working on the surface. They sit on top of your lips. They create that temporary softness, that temporary relief, but they quickly fade. So your lips never actually get the chance to recover underneath. They just stay in this loop, dry, apply, relief, dry, and reapply. That's what I call the lip balm cycle. And once you're in that cycle, it can feel really confusing because it looks like you're doing everything right. You're using the lip balm, you're staying consistent, you're taking care of your lips, but they're not improving. So then it starts to feel like something is wrong with your lips. Like maybe they're just extra dry today, or even sensitive. Or you just feel that they're harder to fix than everyone else's. But this isn't a hydration problem. And it's not that your lips are just different, it's that they're not getting that chance to rebuild. So it's not that your lips aren't getting enough, they're just not getting a break from the constant correction. And over time, your lips adapt to that. They start expecting that constant layer. So instead of maintaining themselves, they rely on that repeated application. And this is the moment that people usually recognize. You're sitting there, just applied your lip balm, and a few minutes later, you're already thinking about using it again. Maybe you're even reaching for it without even thinking. It's in your bag, it's in your pocket, in your car, and it starts to feel like you need it. But that feeling, that's not addiction. That's a pattern that your lips have adapted to. A pattern that was created trying to help, but ended up overcorrecting. And that's the part that most people just never get told. What feels like helping is often keeping the cycle going. So the goal isn't to stop using lip balm completely. It's to change how you're using it, to shift from constant reapplication to intentional support, slowing it down, using less instead of more, letting your lips actually experience time without being constantly coated, because that's what allows real recovery to begin. And once you see this, it usually clicks pretty quick because you can recognize the pattern in real time. You notice when you're reaching for it again. You notice the cycle while it's happening. And that awareness is what starts to break it. So if you're not sure what pattern your lips are in right now, I created a simple lip quiz to help you figure that out. You can find it in the description. And if you're ready to stop chasing temporary relief and actually support your lips in a way that helps them recover, I'll also link the luxury lip ritual below so you can follow a routine that's designed to break that cycle and support your lips long term.